Mini vlog! Outfit check muna tayo. And mag-antay din tayo ng Move It. Second sahod, first milk tea. I'm in a mall. And ito po yung office namin. Katabi lang ng mall na. So, I'm crossing the street at this time. Papunta sa office namin. And I'm getting my ID kasi bawal pumasok ng walang ID. Opa. Pagpasok ko, ang bungad sa akin agad-agad ng aming guard is bawal po mag-vlog kapag ka nakikita yung client's logo. Now, I'm in our locker area kasi ilalagay ko yung bag ko kasi bawal kaming magdala ng bags and other things sa prod except for water jug and mag na transparent po. Hinuhugasan ko lang aking water jug and ang aking mag para gamitin mamaya later sa work. And the most exciting part, yung matcha milk tea. I really love matcha. Dati hindi ko siya gusto, but now gusto ko na siya. Any matcha milk tea, gustong-gusto ko talaga. So, for today's video, I just want you to know na it's not bad to celebrate small wins in your life as long as hindi siya nag-exceed sa monthly salary mo. So, what you earn, you can always have some time to celebrate it. And there's nothing wrong about it as long as in a budget lang tayo. And of course, I'm also celebrating Palm Sunday today. So I'm with my sister. This is not the first time na magsa-celebrate ako ng Palm Sunday sa Metro Manila. But this is the first time that I'm filming this Palm Sunday, this Holy Week celebration in commemoration of Jesus Christ. So, normally, meron din kaming procession dito. Just like sa province, nagpo-procession din kami with our palms, charis. The difference lang kasi kapag kami nagpo-procession, meron kanta, yung mga little kids, kumakanta kami. And, hindi pala kami, hindi na ako little, oh my God. Kumakanta yung mga little kids during Palm Sunday ng, oh, sana, charis, yan lang. And, yeah, dito wala. I'm not sure. Oo, parang wala talaga. Ganun. So, we're already in the church. Hindi kami nakaabot dun sa pagbabasbas ng mga palms. And kaya later on na lang after the mass. So, yeah, magsa-start na yung mass. And yun lang, I hope that you've learned something in this video. Meron ba? Charis. Hope you like it. Yun lang. Bye-bye!